Welcome students in the classes of data manipulation and analysis. In that we learn the concept of database and normalization. So before we learn normalization, we must have the clear concept about the dependency. So today we learn functional dependency and types of functional dependency, which is more important in normalization. So we already discussed about the functional dependency. What is it? It used to avoid the data redundancy. Redundancy means what? Data duplication. That means कि same data do not repeat at the multiple location in that database. It also help you to maintain the quality of data. Then it define the meanings and concepts of the database. Even it also define the constraints of the database. It also helps you to find the fact regarding the database design. Functional dependency is defined by F, and the symbol which is used to define the functional dependency is an arrow. There are 4 different types of functional dependencies: multi-value functional dependency, tribal functional dependency, non-tribal functional dependency, and transitive functional dependency. Now, before we learn the types of functional dependency, we learn how to denote the functional dependency. So, we have to use arrow key to define or to denote the dependency. It is like that. So, if you say like that, the functional dependency is X on Y, which is represent like that. Functional dependency X on Y, which is understand that the X on Y is a functional dependency. Now, for example, we have employee table, and the employee table contains the employee number, employee name, city, and salary. These 4 fields are there in the employee table: employee number, employee name, city, and salary. So, we can say that employee city, salary, and name, these 3 fields are totally depend on the employee number. So the employee number is a one key. On that, this another 3 field, that is employee name, city, and salary, is totally dependent on them. So they are functionally dependent on employee number, because you know very well employee name किसी का repeat हो सकता है, city, salary भी repeat हो सकती है, but employee number is a unique. सो अगर आपको किसी का एम्प्लॉय नंबर पता है तो आप वो पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय नंबर पे से पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय की सारी डिटेल जान सकते हो. सो एम्प्लॉय की सारी डिटेल किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होती है? उसका एक यूनिक आईडी रहता है उसके ऊपर. दैट यूनिक आईडी इज एम्प्लॉय नंबर. सो दैट ऑल फील्ड्स आर डिपेंड अपॉन द एम्प्लॉय नंबर. इट इज लाइक दैट city, employee name, and salary are functionally dependent on employee number. This is called as a functional dependent. मतलब कि कोई एक फील्ड पे बाकी की सारी फील्ड अगर डिपेंड होती है तो उसको हम फंक्शनली डिपेंडेंट बोल सकते हैं. जस्ट वन मोर एग्जाम्पल लाइक स्टूडेंट टेबल. इन दैट रोल नंबर, क्लास, सब्जेक्ट्स, मार्क्स, परसेंटेज, रिजल्ट, everything is available. Now, if you want some information for any student, then you can find out from the name. No, because name तो repeat हो सकते, but you can use roll number or class. So that roll number and class is one unique key, and बाकी के सारे फील्ड जैसे कि वो स्टूडेंट का नाम है, उसका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर है, वो सब रोल नंबर या क्लास पे डिपेंड होता है. So that all fields are depend upon this class. So रोल नंबर के ऊपर बाकी सारी फील्ड डिपेंड होगी. दैट इज स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट, स्टूडेंट मार्क्स, स्टूडेंट परसेंटेज, कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर्स आर नोन एज they are functionally dependent on the roll number. It is known as a functional dependency. Now, first type of functional dependency is multi-valued functional dependency. Multi-valued functional dependency is occur when the situation are the multiple dependent or independent multi-value attribute in a single table. सिंगल टेबल के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और वैल्यूज होगी जो पर्टिकुलर एक फील्ड पे डिपेंड होती है, तो उसको मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंसी बोलेंगे. मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंसी इज अ कंप्लीट कंस्ट्रेंट बिटवीन two sets of attribute in a relation. Relation means a table. So just example is a car. Car is a one kind of table, name of the table, which contain the car model number, year and the color. Now you can simply say that year and the color of the car is totally independent of each other, but they both are dependent on car model. कार मॉडल पे वो दोनों डिपेंड हो सकते हैं. फाइन. यस. सो दैट टू कॉलम्स आर सेड टू बी द मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंट ऑन अ कार मॉडल. एक कार मॉडल एक फील्ड है जिसके ऊपर ईयर और कलर डिपेंड हो सकते हैं, तो उसको मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंसी बोलेंगे. और मल्टी वैल्यू डिपेंडेंसी को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे किया जा सकता है? कार मॉडल, एरो एंड ईयर, दैट इज नोन एज द फंक्शनली डिपेंडेंसी ऑफ कार मॉडल on year. That means year is totally dependent on car model. Same way color is also dependent on car model. So year and color ये दोनों तो independent हो सकते हैं, पर अगर आपको पर्टिकुलर कार की इंफॉर्मेशन, कार का कलर चाहिए, तो आपको इसके साथ कार मॉडल रिलेट होने चाहिए. That's why this is a functionally dependency and it's known as a multi-value dependency, because multiple values or multiple fields are depend on a single field. That's why it is known as a multi-value dependency. Now another dependency is trivial dependency. Trivial dependencies occur when the set of attributes which are called a trivial. That means if the set of attributes are included in that particular attribute. So how it is known as a trivial? That means if x on y is a trivial functional dependency, आप x डिपेंडेंट ऑन y ऐसा लिखा है, उसको फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी ट्राइवल है. ऐसा कब बोल सकते हैं? जब y इज नोन एज अ सबसेट ऑफ x. जब y x का सबसेट होगा तो यू कैन से लाइक दैट इट इज अ ट्राइवल डिपेंडेंसी. कैसे? सबसेट का मतलब क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव x एंड यू हैव y, टू डिफरेंट वैल्यू. x कंटेन 1, 2 and 3. Same way y contain 1 and 3. So you can say like that y के अंदर जितने वैल्यूज है वो सब x के अंदर होंगे ही, तो y x का सबसेट हुआ. yes, because 1 and 3 x के पास है. fine. So y is a subset of x. If it is possible, if the y is a subset of x, then its x on y dependency is known as a trivial dependency, like that. अगर x on y dependency है तो y x का सबसेट होना ही चाहिए. अगर y x का सबसेट हो तो वो डिपेंडेंसी को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? ट्राइवल डिपेंडेंसी. क्लियर? Now we can take one example over here. For example, we have one table with the column एम्प्लॉय आईडी एंड द एम्प्लॉय नेम. मेरे पास एक टेबल है एम्प्लॉय का जिसके अंदर एम्प्लॉय आईडी और एम्प्लॉय नेम है. नाउ दिस एम्प्लॉय आईडी एंड एम्प्लॉय नेम इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन दिस वन फील्ड एम्प्लॉय आईडी, बिकॉज इट्स नोन एज अ ट्राइबल फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी. क्यों? क्योंकि एम्प्लॉय आईडी और एम्प्लॉय नेम दो फील्ड है पर्टिकुलर टेबल की, तो एम्प्लॉय आईडी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है. सो दिस एम्प्लॉय आईडी इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस. यस, एम्प्लॉय आईडी और एम्प्लॉय नेम का सबसेट एम्प्लॉय आईडी हो सकता है. फाइन. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ ट्राइबल फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी, बिकॉज द एम्प्लॉय आईडी इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस एम्प्लॉय आईडी एंड एम्प्लॉय नेम. सो आपकी फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी ट्राइबल कब बोली जाएगी? व्हेन सम value or some attribute is a subset of another attribute. So if it is x on y or employee ID, employee name on employee ID, at that time employee ID is must have a subset of employee ID and employee name. That means y is must be a subset of x. Then and then only the functional dependency of x on y is known as a trivial functional dependency. Now same way non-trivial functional dependency. So it is a totally inverse of trivial dependency. If the dependency are known as non-trivial dependency, that means if A hold B, dependency A on B, at that time B is not a subset of A. अगर B A का सबसेट नहीं है तो हम उसको नॉन ट्राइवल डिपेंडेंसी बोल सकते हैं. Totally opposite of tribal dependency. It's just like if X on Y is a functionally dependency. Okay, but X contain 1, 2, 3 and Y contain 4 and 5. Y contain 4 and 5. At that time Y is not the subset of X क्योंकि Y के पास 4 and 5 है, X के पास 1, 2, 3 है, तो Y X का सबसेट नहीं हुआ. That's why Y is not the subset of X. At that time, you cannot say that X and Y is a tribal dependency, but you can say X on Y is a non-tribal functional dependency. Clear? Now see over here, we have one attribute company that is a functionally dependent on CEO. So we know the company, we know the CEO name. हमारे पास दोनों पता है, कंपनी का नाम भी पता है और CEO भी पता है कि कौन है. But you can say like that CEO is not the subset of company. अगर यहाँ पे कंपनी के बाद कॉमा करके CEO लिखा होगा और एरो करके CEO हमें दिया होगा तो हम सबसेट बोल सकते. पर यहाँ पे हमें कैसे दिया है, एक कंपनी का नाम अलग दिया है, CEO का नाम अलग दिया है. Yes, it is a functional dependency of company on CEO. But you can say like that it is a non-tribal functional dependency because that CEO is not a subset of company. CEO company का subset नहीं है. That's why you can say like that it is a non-tribal functional dependency. Now after that, transitive functional dependency. Now, transitive functional dependency is a one kind of functional dependency which happen when it is indirectly formed by two functional dependency. For example, transitive हम कब बोलेंगे? So, we have one functional dependency is company on CEO. This is one company and one CEO. So, we know the company and we know the CEO name. This is a one functional dependency. We have another functional dependency that CEO on age. So we know the CEO or we also know the age. So according to the transitive functional dependency rule, we know or we set the company on age. We set the functional dependency that is company on age because that make a sense, because if the company on CEO or CEO on age is a two different functional dependency, so one more functional dependency that company on age. It's a simple example. If A hold, you can say like that, if A hold B and B hold C, A hold B or B hold C. So indirectly we know the rule that A hold C is possible. We know this rule very clearly because A hold B हो सकता है, B hold C हो सकता है, तो indirectly A hold C is possible. So this possibility is known as a transitive functional dependency. So that means it will form a two different functional dependency and create one more functional dependency. So over here we have a two dependency, that dependency of company on CEO and dependency of CEO and age. So we can indirectly say like that company and age both are connected with each other. So you can say the functional dependency of company on age, it is possible. This type of possibilities are possible only and only on transitive functional dependency. Fine all of you. So you all are understand this functional dependency, how to define the functional dependency and the types of functional dependency, because it is very important for normalization. Multi-value, that means multiple attributes are depend on a single attribute, that is a multi-value dependency. ट्राइवल, दैट मीन्स अगर x ऑन y फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी है और y x का सबसेट है तो उसको हम ट्राइवल डिपेंडेंसी बोलेंगे. नॉन ट्राइवल मतलब इफ x ऑन y फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी है बट y इज नॉट द subset of X. So it is known as a non-trivial dependency. And transitive means आपके पास दो different functional dependency है. It will make or indirectly make one more functional dependency, that is if A hold B and B hold C. So you can say indirectly A hold C. That is the transitive functional dependency. Fine all of you? Okay. Thank you.